still doing my drive. Yeah. You can see the beach. I'm on the beach. Yeah. You can see the sea. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you very much. It's nice weather, yeah. But it's cold, 10 degrees, it's windy. You see not a lot of people walking, and the sea is wild. You see the big waves, Yeah, the water is wild. Yeah. And not a lot of boats. No. It's not yet summertime. It's not yet summertime. Thank you for coming, everybody. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much. It's not raining for the moment. That's okay. It's cloudy, but it's not raining. But you see a lot of sand is here. A lot of sand. Same car of me here. Yeah. And get my brother is there. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Here I like it. Yeah. It's a nice place. Nice place, the beach. I want to see the beach and the sea. Yeah. A lot of water, eh? Yeah. A lot of water, eh? Yeah, that's nice. Nice place. I like walking here in the summertime. Yeah. See people are walking with big jackets. It's too cold, eh? It's still cold, eh? You see a lot of sand is on the road also. It's windy, yeah. Windy, yeah. See? Windy, yeah. It's a nice place, yeah. I like the beach. Yeah. Hope you can see good. Yeah. I'm busy with 2 cameras. Yeah. 50. You can drive 50 here. I'm gonna drive 50 here. Oh, I need to stop. Amazing. Yeah, it's still cold. Yeah. 10 degrees, that's not warm, eh? 10 degrees. Don't think it's warm, eh? No. But it's not raining, that's okay, that's good. It's not raining, that's good. Yeah. I'm gonna pass here. Yeah. watching. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Here you have working a lot also with cables and water and gas, big gas tubes in the ground. We have working a lot. It's red. To stop. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Bye bye.